What's going on, guys? Captain Joe here. Call me Jose, call me whatever you want. Today I'm going to be removing the prop of this 25 horsepower Evinrude. It's a 1981. Never really worked on this before. It's an old engine I just picked up for an aluminum John boat that I just bought, and hopefully this project is not such a big deal. I also picked up this smaller, I think this is an 8 horsepower, I'm not too sure. Let's check out the boat itself. Here she is. Boom. I'll possibly be doing some bully netting this season. Gotta get ready for mini season. I got about a month before it's here. It's my kayaks. And, I'm gonna go ahead and try to remove the prop. I've seen a couple videos on it. I'm no expert on the matter, but we'll see how it goes, and I'll film it and I'll put it up on YouTube, and you guys can make fun of me or give me pointers or do whatever you like. Let's see if we get started. Not only will I try to remove the prop, I'm gonna try to actually remove the lower end here, so I could check out the impeller and see how that's doing as well. These are all things that I haven't done before, but I got my tools here and I got my camera. Let's see how it goes. Let's see if I got a good angle. This right here. That's too high. It's just right there. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the cotter pin right here. That was fairly easy. I guess it's just on screws. Doesn't get easier than that. He got himself wrapped up into some awesomeness here, or is this some type of awesome? Let's go ahead and clean that out. Nice. Seaweed, I'm guessing. Alright, so I've removed the prop. I'm not sure if there's oil in there or not. I'm sure there's some. Doesn't feel too bad. I'm gonna go ahead and drain that. See how that goes. I'll be right back. Got myself a Home Depot bucket. Let's put this down here. Get yourself a flat head. There. Get yourself a flat head. This one should do the trick. Those are in there tight. Let's try a trick. Let's see if this works. Not working. So that's not working. So if you guys give me a tip on that, I appreciate it. I'm gonna go ahead and do it without doing that. If it gets messy, it gets messy. And I'm probably doing it wrong. I'm not saying it's the right way, but I'm gonna go ahead and try to remove this lower unit here without going down here, and then I'll put this up on the table and try to work it on the table. So I'm gonna remove this nut here, these set of nuts here, and these set of nuts here, and see what happens. It should be fun. It's not a 15. I tried a 12, I'm sorry. Let's try the 15. It is a 15. Alright, so that's removed. Let's go ahead and do these in the bottom here. They look like 10s, and you know what that means. I probably don't have my 10 socket. Of course. Missing. Why would it be there? Let's try 7/16. Oh man, lucky wucky. 7/16 works. My ratchet ready? Oh, too much. Righty tighty, lefty loose. I know I always forget that. Just kidding. bolt number 1 is out.